And y'all, by the time I get this side done, this side's already dry. So let's see if that machine can tackle that. Found my new best friend. Good Thursday morning. Today is Thursday, April the 17th. But we gotta work on the floors, y'all. I haven't really tackled the floors in gosh, I think it was before I got sick. So I need to tackle the floors. And so if you're here for it, let's jump on into the video. But before we do, thank y'all for stopping by. Thank you for clicking on this video. Thank you for hanging out here with me today. Get up and let's work together, or sit back, get you something cold to drink or warm to drink, whatever you want to do, and watch me. But maybe we can motivate you or inspire you to get up and do some things, and maybe or just entertain you while you're sitting there watching, you know, a little bit. We are retired empty nest couple who've been empty nesters for quite some time now, y'all, and we're loving it. We're loving the retired life. It's just a great life. And I hope that y'all enjoy watching this crazy retired empty nest couple live life together, do our adventures together. Whatever we're doing, I hope y'all are here for it. So let's get to it, y'all. And thanks for being here. We appreciate you so, so, so much. I'm gonna get out the robes and then fix my water, and we're gonna go ahead and get this area mopped. Today, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my vacuum mop combo little machine thing here. I used the cleaner that comes with this brand. It's Tineco. It's just a cleaning and deodorizing cleaner. It's 1 capful up to the max line of water. And also I took some of my feeds, just little essential oils, and I put a few droplets down in there. It just kind of helps make it smell good, I think. And it probably cleans and deodorizes as well. So let's get this put back on. Oh, I smell it already. I love that cleaner, that Thieves. Okay. almost got that done in here, and y'all, by the time I get this side done, this side's already dry, so I can go ahead and put all my rugs back down, then start bringing in all of the chairs that go around the table and putting it back, everything in its place, and we're done in here. And you know, I may get back to the bedroom. I may even try to do the living room. It would be nice to get that knocked out today too. So let's go ahead and get the rugs down, the chairs back around the table, everything put back in its place, and we'll see where we can go from there. So let's get the rugs. Floors seem, oh, it's so nice to walk on clean floors. I love when you just mopped floors. It needed it so bad. It needed it so bad, y'all. But it's done, and we can move on now. So let's get the vacuum over here, vacuum mop contraption, and let's get that clean. So I'm gonna take and this is what I do to get, I don't want my curtains to get wet when I mop. So I wrap them around those little things. So I got that done. So I think we are ready to vacuum and mop. So let's do that. Cleaning solution, and I need to empty this water tank, so let me go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got that done. Well, we're going to give this thing a workout. We're going to test it, see what its capabilities are, really. I just made a huge mess, y'all, and I'll just show you what that mess is. Look what I just did. Can y'all see all that dirt? Right there. I know it's kind of dark right here, but I knocked over this plant, and that's the result. Dirt. So let's see if that machine can tackle that. Hey, we'll see. So that's a good little test to its ability, right? So let's test it out. Are you as surprised as I am? I really thought it would scatter it, I guess. I've never done anything like that. I haven't even used this thing that much. I use my steamer or my regular mop. I don't know why. Emily's got her one and she uses it all the time. Even Zach uses it. So I'm glad I used it today because it took care of that. It took care of it like great. Hey, I think I have found my new best friend. Sorry, best friend. I think I found a new best friend. I'm just joking. But anyway, it did an amazing job. This little Tineco, if y'all have not ever tried one, I can highly recommend it. I don't know much about it. It vacuums as it mops, and it's got another attachment you can take this motor off of, and you can attach it to that other little piece and make it a cordless vac too. So it does that as well. So anyway, let's keep going. I think I'm going to hit over here. I've just got one little area over here that doesn't have the rug around it. So I'm going to move some things over here and we'll hit that area and then tackle the rest of the living room. I think I'll let that area dry before I put this stuff back. Dirty water tank full. Please empty. Just as I finished. Perfect timing. Perfect. So I'm done. But I did mess up. Let me tell you what I did. I didn't dust. I got so happy and excited about testing that out to see if it would work on spilling all that dirt all over the floor or all that pot and soil all over the floor that I just went to town and was mopping and never thought twice about dusting. So I may just, I don't know, I may just hit it with the lamb's wool duster because it holds on to the dust better, and we'll just give that part a lick and a promise and we'll get back to it another day. So anyway, I'm through mopping for today. So guys, that's got it on this doing the floors with me today and using that little neat little Tineco mopping, vacuuming machine. It's the greatest little thing. You know, it just cleaned up that dirt just so easy off the floor. I didn't think it would do that. I thought I'd have like to go over it a lot, or I thought it would spread all over, and it didn't. Anyway, thank y'all so much for coming along with me on today's video and watching me clean my floors today. I hope it's inspiring or motivating you to get up and work along beside me, or either just hang out there and watch me. You know, sometimes I just like to watch people clean. I don't always want to get up and clean, but I like to watch them clean. It kind of puts my mind in the mindset of doing it at least, but maybe that's what it's doing for you. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked today's video. Be sure to share me with share us with your family and friends. If you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and becoming a part of our Empty Nest Life little family over here. We're growing, y'all. We're getting so close to 300. We're at 294 today. As of today, we're at 294, and we're getting ever so close. So we'd love to have you join our little family over here, and leave us some comments down below. What did you think about that little Tineco and the job it did? I think it did a great job. Next time I use it, I'm going to show you exactly more close up on what I do. I'm going to show you the dirty water tank, so come back for that again, and come back again and visit with us on our next video, which will be coming out soon. And guys, we've got some camping videos coming out in the near future, so please hit that subscribe button and come back and hit that notification bell so you'll always be notified as to when we put out new videos. And we try to do at least 2 to 3 a week, so be sure to come back and watch us again. Take care, friends, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, everybody.